Wait, and we have $5.
$5. Okay, let's see this. Okay, so Air France, Atlanta, 258. We know that's one. Flight 5902. I wonder if we have to go. No other instructions?
No. There's nothing. Unless they forgot to put it in there or something.
No. Let's see. 59. 32. C. I don't understand how they got that though. Why with that 59? I don't know. Maybe we need to go to the airport, but I don't want to go there unless we know for sure.
I think we have to.
Why else would that make sense though? Let's see. 50. I don't know.
There's literally like no instructions. We have to probably go to the airport.
Yeah. We might go, all that stuff's online though.
We can't
Oh, we
use
can't use our
our phone.
phones at the airport. Alright, we're gonna risk it.